How to fix Google Docs not working in Chrome. So if you're having an issue opening Google Docs or it's just not working in general, then I'm going to show you how we can solve this. Now the very first step is you need to go and open up your Google Chrome browser. You can then click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side, and then we're going to scroll down to the bottom and click on Settings. From the left hand side, select Privacy and Security. You can then scroll down to Delete Browsing Data. Make sure Cookies and Other Site Data is selected. Make sure the time range is set to all time, and then go and press Delete Data. Now, once you've done this, you can try and open your document and check if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, there's likely an issue with the extensions on your browser. Now to fix this, once again, click on the three vertical dots. This time, scroll down to Extensions, click on Manage Extensions, and you just want to go through the list and disable all of your Google Chrome extensions. Once you've done this, you can go and relaunch the Chrome browser, and that should now have solved the Google Docs issue. If it's still not working, you can also try loading the Google documents in incognito. Now to do this, just click on the three vertical dots, click on New Incognito Window. You can then head over to the Google website and sign in with your account. You can try loading up Google Docs and check if it works from here. Now, if you've tried all of these steps so far and it's still not working, the final solution is to go and check the storage on your account. Now, to do this, click on the square icon in the top right hand side, go and select Drive. In the bottom left hand side, click on Storage, and just make sure you have enough storage space on your Google Drive account. So you can see I have at least a few gigabytes remaining here, and that means I should be able to use Google Documents. If you don't have enough space, you may just need to delete some things on your drive, and once again you can check to see if that solves the issue. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.